One team you must watch out for
Yeah.
in this World Cup,
Okay.
Senegal.
सेनेगल.
Yes, सर इस पर आप निकालो सेनेगल वर्सेस फ्रांस कब है जी?
भाई मेरे को रिसर्चर बोला था सेनेगल की भी स्क्वाड दूं, मैंने बोला चलेगा.
अच्छी बात है.
यू गोना प्रूव मी रॉन्ग.
मैं बताता हूँ आपको. सेनेगल
Yep.
2002 में तो जो हुआ जो सेनेगल ने किया, इस बार ये आपको सेनेगल अगर देखनी है, मैंने एंड आई स्टम्बल्ड अपॉन इट.
स्क्वाड. या.
African Cup of Nations हुआ, the one which happened with Morocco where they walked off in the final. I was seeing them from the quarterfinals onwards. क्या फुटबॉल खेलते हैं भाई.
नेक्स्ट लेवल.
सुपर्ब फुटबॉल यार. नहीं ये स्क्वाड है. आप मुझे वो दिखाओ मैच कब है फ्रांस वर्सेस सेनेगल.
17th of June.
हाँ जी सर, जो है देख लो, इसको ईयर मार्क कर लो, ठप्पा डाल दो. ये टाइम भी अच्छा है, पहला मैच है दिन का 12:30 बजे.
नए दिन का.
हाँ नए दिन का पहला मैच है. ये बहुत ही तगड़ा मैच होने वाला है, क्योंकि अगर वो पागल टीम है
हाँ.
तो ये भी पागल हैं.
So what is strong about Senegal यार, मतलब.
You see the way they operate, man. The tempo which way they were moving in African Cup of Nations, they were moving. And they have that wonderful mix of experience and youth. We tend to talk about it a lot and we tend to just say it. But they genuinely have it. They have at least 3-4 players in that 11. I think 3 players. Mane हो गया, Koulibaly हो गया और एक और लड़का है.
Okay.
Where they've played 100 caps.
Okay.
100 caps. उसके बाद you have 22-24 years olds.
So experience भी है और साथ में legs भी है कि भाई दौड़ेंगे.
Oh, and just if you want to see, just go see Senegal AFCON and see the way they were playing. इनका एक बहुत प्यारी कहानी है यार.
बताओ.
There is a club called FC Metz in France.
अच्छा.
Okay, now Senegal is a French colony, right? FC Metz, very early on, I think, I don't know how many years back or something, FC Metz took out a thing with Senegal, with a football academy in Senegal. So they took a thing with them कि आप लड़के भेजो यहाँ पे, cream of the crop, Senegalese, उनको हम बनाएंगे और उनको रास्ता देंगे into European football. All these guys. So basically they had a very simple thing. They had a platform for them to come to the cream of the crop.
Yep.
So you come there and we will take you into European football. So all these boys, top Senegalese talent in their initial formative years, at the age of 17, 18, whatever it might be, they've gone to Metz, they've played European football over there, and from there they've gone to big academies. Sadio Mane was a different thing because then उनका कुछ restriction हुआ है where they're saying कि you cannot get a boy to play professional football in France unless he crosses the age of 18.
अच्छा.
Right? So then what they did was, they said, okay, we will partner with the academy that they had partnered with in Senegal. They created their own setup there. So now they are scouting these boys over there, bhar ke. And why it's a good story is because the success rate is crazy. The kind of players that are coming from there. Mane went straight from that academy to Austria. And from there, of course, then he went to Liverpool and the rest is history.
Yes.
A majority of these boys who are playing in this World Cup or have played in the AFCON, a lot of them have come through this route. That one route of FC Metz. And just quality players, bhai. Quality players, man. You see the way they move. See, when I like watching a football game, I like watching cohesion. I like watching the way they move. Cut, move. If you see highlights of them from AFCON, it is just something, there's a certain tempo to the game. There's a certain speed with which they play the game. And the legs they have, yaar. You know, they're blessed with physical qualities and everything. More often than not, होता क्या है कि African teams World Cup stage पे जब आते हैं, quarter final तक, ये भाई जा सकते हैं. मजा आ जाएगा भाई. मैं तो कह रहा हूँ मजा आ जाएगा. ये वर्ल्ड कप जीतेंगे. जीते नहीं जीते वो दूसरी बात है. मैं नहीं कह रहा हूँ जीतेंगे.
Of course, man, but still semi-finals.
अफ्रीकन टीम अभी तक जीती नहीं. सेमीफाइनल चलो ठीक है, वर्ल्ड कप छोड़ दो.
सेमीफाइनल्स तक भी जाना है.
सेमीफाइनल तक जाना will be huge. Another African team, Morocco.
मोरक्को ने तो उखाड़ा है यार. मोरक्को ने लोगों को पता है कि थोड़ा.
These two African teams, solid teams. और इन्हीं के उस फाइनल के बाद फीफा ने रूल निकाल दिया अब.
अच्छा.
You cannot walk off the pitch.
वो लास्ट टाइम हुआ था.
हाँ, वो AFCON में they walked off the pitch, right? You cannot walk off the pitch. If you walk off the pitch, penalty and you're gone. ऐसा कुछ है.
माने बोल के वापस लाया कि चलो.
माने बोल के वापस लाया. Anyone, just go watch that game, yeah. What a beautiful game of football, yeah. Mane is now there in his, not even prime, he's past his prime now. But the way they use Mane, he's there, he holds, and then everyone around him. It's a very good mix of experience and youth and the kind of football they're playing.